Folding camping cot offers bed-like comfort for a restful night's sleep. Provides superior support with coil suspension system and thick foam mattress. Durable steel frame can support up to 275 pounds and accommodate most people up to 5 feet 7 inches tall. Portable design fits into most car trunks when folded. Strong folding steel frame. Measures 69 by 25 by 15 inches when unfolded. Get the comfortable rest you need before a big day of exploration with the Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot. With its ComfortSmart coil suspension system and thick foam mattress pad, this folding cot offers support and comfort comparable to that of a bed. This cot has a steel frame that can support up to 275 pounds and accommodate most people up to 5 feet 7 inches tall. It has a folding, portable design that fits inside most car trunks. Top reviews from the United States. Love this cot. I bought this cot 3+ years ago. I have used it camping and on various trips away from home. I've let friends borrow it too. I find it super comfortable. My friend with back problems said she slept great on it. I'm short, 52, so I don't mind the length. It is slightly too short for my husband, but in a pinch he has slept on it. I wish it folded up smaller, like the cots that fold into their own bag, but it's so much more comfortable, so it's worth it. It's sturdy, the right height off the ground, and I like the small foam pad that comes with it. We do have to put a bungee cord around it now to keep it closed when transporting it. It came with small Velcro straps, but after a year or so they didn't actually hold it closed. It's also a little heavier than some other options, comparing to ones that fold like camping chairs, but again, it's sturdy, so it's worth the heft.